Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP low content channel. If you are looking for a niche ideas to work on Amazon KDP, then this video is only for you. Today uh, we are discuss about 10 KDP niche ideas for you. So I request you to watch my today's video carefully from start to end. So uh, we can write here our first niche is 10 KDP niche ideas. Ten KDP niche ideas. So here our first niche is cars coloring book for kids and adults. And our second niche is cars birthday party coloring book. And our third niche is truck coloring book for kids and adult. And our fourth niche is thirty vehicles coloring book. And our fifth niche is flowers coloring book. And our sixth niche is ocean animals coloring book. Ocean coloring book. And our seventh niche is winter coloring book. And our eighth niche is supercar coloring book. And our ninth niche is encouragement to encouragement to encouragement course coloring book. Encouragement course coloring book. And our 10th and final niche is affirmation coloring book for kids. affirmation coloring book for kids. So there is a 10 niche coloring book niche ideas. I already give you. First of all, cars coloring book for kids and adults, cars birthday party coloring book, truck coloring book for kids and adults, 30 vehicle coloring book, flowers coloring book, ocean coloring book, winter coloring book, supercar coloring book, engagement quotes coloring book, affirmation coloring book for kids. So these um, 10 niche is a profitable niche. So you have to work this 10 niche, and first of all you must be check out copyright and trademark of 10 niche. And from this 10 niche you can find out, you can research, um, you can find out micro niche. From this 10 niche you have to research. So research is the main to success on KDP business. So you must be research correctly, then you find out micro niche and profitable niche. So this 10 niche this 10 niche you must be work, so, and earn a lot of money from this 10 niche, I hope. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share with more niche, more ideas about KDP self-publishing business. So thank you so much. Thank you all.